cook today?
My eye hurts.
Why?
It's swollen. I don't know why.
Oh, you poor baby.
Don't say that.
Are you ready?
No.
Why not?
I want to take home and take a nap.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Wait, it won't slide open, and I need to TikTok right now or something bad will happen.
Like what?
Oh, yeah. It comes randomly like Dad's. Remember when Dad was nauseous in the gas station?
Mm-hmm.
I might get nauseous in there.
Okay.
The world gets filled up by
711-800-400-711.
Are you still videotaping me?
Yeah.
Why?
So, what are you hoping to learn in this class?
Naruto songs at least.
And?
One of them. How to make pictures really pretty. With just a click of a mouse. Click of a wrist. Wow.
I didn't know there was a step up there. I could have like fallen on my face. But I didn't. Why are you looking at them?
No, I was just trying to look for the step. People aren't gonna watch this because it's boring. It's just a girl walking.
But we are looking for the lost mommy, remember? You forgot our mission?
We have issues.
Yeah, we always have a mission. Yumi, look.
My first is
What are those? The,
Those are my students. Don't you know? I teach fire academy.
they're firemen?
Yes. Students in Kenya. I sometimes will see them running around with the fire. Yes.
I hope it's still in the same place.
Watch it not be.
I don't know. Okay.
First day. I hope they get sick.
Oh, it's not. They changed it. We have to look for it.
This is awesome. Now we're having a hard time